Hello everyone. For this tutorial I'd like to show how to figure out the sector of a cone, which uses similar reasoning to the sector of a circle or a cylinder. In particular, if we were to split the base in half, we would see that not only would the base split into two equal half circles, but the whole volume would split into two equal half cones. And we know a half circle is 180 degrees. It should follow that a half cone is 180 degrees of a full cone. So the volume of a sector of a cone would be degree out of 360 times volume of full cone, which we remember is 1/3 pi r squared times height. The surface area would be more tricky, however, to find a formula for, because we know the surface area of a full cone is more tricky. However, if we remember that the surface area of the height of the cone was a quarter circle, it should follow the surface area would be degree out of 360 times this quarter circle, plus the sector of a circle that the base is, plus the quarters of ellipses that are the two shapes on the inside. Now that we have figured out the sector of a cone, we can explore the segment of a cone in the next tutorial video, as well as explain, similar to a cylinder, how the segment is more complicated than the tricks used to find the segment of a circle. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.